Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make our coral, not coral earrings. These fun earrings feature Swarovski crystal pearls and coral branch charms. Let's take a look at all the products and tools we'll need to make them. For this project, we are going to be using an 8mm red coral Swarovski crystal pearl bead. I have a 27mm antique copper coral charm by Nunn Design. I have a 9mm copper ear wire, and then I've got 20 gauge 2-inch copper eye pins. For our tools today, we'll be using round nose, some chain nose pliers, and wire cutters. You can find links to all these beads and supplies in the description below. So let's get started. So to begin your earring, you want to take your eye pin and your 8mm pearl, and you're just going to slide your pearl bead onto the eye pin and bring it all the way down to the loop. Then you're going to want to turn a simple loop on this other side of the eye pin so that we can attach our charm. So to do that, you're just going to want to take your eye pin there, hold it, making sure that your loop is all the way towards the bead there, and then just bend it over at a 90-degree angle. Then you're going to take your wire cutters and you're going to trim the majority of it off, just leaving enough to turn a simple loop. So take your round nose pliers and you're going to grab the tip of the wire to make sure none's showing through there, and then you're just going to roll it back into a simple loop. And then you have your little loop on there. And this one, it's a little bit bigger just so I want to make sure that it has enough room to go over the loop on the charm there. So I'm just going to open the loop that I just made to the side with my chain nose pliers. I'm going to slide on the coral branch charm, and then I'm going to go ahead and close that loop. Just make sure that it's nice and even there. So there you have that. And now you're going to take your ear wire and you're going to take your chain nose pliers and you're just going to open the loop on the ear wire by moving it to the side. And then you are going to slide on the loop that's on the top of your bead there, and then you're just going to close that ear wire. And there you have this really cute, kind of fun little earring. It's a perfect look for summer. You can find all the products and tools for this inspiration design at fusionbeads.com.